Comes with the ZEM-CWI Smart Controller, an outdoor/indoor keypad/reader, an outdoor/indoor Maglock, an outdoor/indoor exit button, 3 power supplies, 10 cards, 10 key tags, and a doorbell speaker. We have kits for out-swinging doors and in-swinging doors, and with 2 different electromagnetic locks weight, 800 pounds and 1,500 pounds. These are all the tools we recommend you have when you install this system. It's recommended to use electrical wire for this installation, 18/4 or 22/4 gauge wire. This wire is a requirement that is needed to connect the Maglock, receiver, and exit button. You may also use this wire as an extension for the power supplies. 300 feet maximum with 18/4 gauge wire. This is the installation diagram for this kit. You can find this diagram in the OpenSea app, and a printed version of it will be included when your order is shipped. Since there are many different types of applications, we have created several types of different kits in order to supply your specific project. We have kits for Standalone, Wiegand, access control panel, and automatic door opener. With the Wiegand protocol, you will be able to connect your Wiegand keypad and add cards, key tags, and create PIN codes all directly in the app. Now, every time one of your users passes a card through the Wiegand keypad/reader, you will get a push notification on your smartphone stating that the user has unlocked the door. You can also see all the event logs for the door in the events section. You can use any brand of keypad/reader. All you need is to make sure that it's a Wiegand 26 or 34 bits keypad/reader, unless it will not work with our smart controller. Wires must be installed inside the wall. The Wi-Fi smart controller ZEM-CWI will allow you to control remotely via Wi-Fi electric locking devices. Using our OpenSea app and internet access, you can lock and unlock doors from anywhere in the world on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. This product has a 3-year warranty. This entry device is a metal access control keypad and proximity card reader, which supports EM card types and is waterproof IP68 for indoor or outdoor use. An entry device is an access control device that is usually mounted on the exterior, non-secured side of the door that it controls. You can access using card, PIN, card plus PIN, or your phone. If you have a phone with NFC built in, you can use it as a card. It's not an additional app, not compatible with iOS. This product has a 3-year warranty. The Maglock sold with these kits is rated 100% to be installed in outdoor applications and is waterproof. Even though this kit comes with a bracket, you might need to custom make another one, or make some adjustments to the bracket offered in the kits. For your outdoor and gate applications, this Maglock provides 800 pounds or 1,500 pounds of reinforcement and secures your door at all times. This product has a 3-year warranty. The VS-VIS 7001 is an indoor and outdoor waterproof rated IP65 request to exit button made of stainless steel and standard size with LED light. This exit button can be used for multiple access control applications and DIY projects. This product has a 3-year warranty. A proximity card, or Prox card, is a contactless smart card which can be read without inserting it into a reader device, and they're used as key cards for access control doors in office buildings or other environments with restricted access. A key tag or key fob works similar to a proximity card. Both come with a 125 kHz frequency EM. The difference between the two is its shape and portability. This product has a 3-year warranty. The example that is given here is with a pedestrian gate, but this Maglock can be installed in all different types of gates. The doorbell speaker that is included in this kit will notify you of a visitor when they press the doorbell on the keypad. In this kit, you'll be able to unlock the door by the keypad/reader. the exit button, a card, or a key tag, and on the ZEM-CWI smart controller by the app. You can also receive push notifications when a user passes the card on the keypad. This will let you know that someone has opened the door. All users can be added through the app. The keypad must be put in Wiegand mode. That is done through the programming of the keypad/reader. Please keep in mind that the power supply and the ZEM-CWI Smart Access Controller can only be installed inside. The keypad/reader and the exit button are weatherproof and can also be installed in an outdoor setting.